If you're seeing this face on your screen and hearing this voice in your speakers, it means only one thing. It's time for Cocktails and Cribs. And today we are making a variation of my favorite cocktail. I think I say that every time. The sidecar. But today we're making a variation of the sidecar called the Between the Sheets cocktail.
Sidecar. We did a sidecar, cable car, side by side, didn't we?
We did. And not too many people have seen it. So if you want to watch that video, it's up here in the corner. Click there.
It's just sitting there waiting for you.
The only difference is we're scaling back the cognac and we're adding some white rum. And it's a fantastic cocktail. If you haven't tried this before, I highly recommend it. Cognac, white rum, triple sec or orange Curaçao. Orange Curaçao is a little bit drier. Triple sec's a little sweeter. This cocktail probably should be made with Curaçao, but I didn't have any. I had triple sec. I didn't want to go buy it.
You work with what you got.
You work with what you got. And then of course, lemon juice. A lot of people think it was invented back in the 30s by Harry McElhaney. Good old Harry. No relation to Rob McElhaney. Completely spelled different. I'm probably not even pronouncing any of them right. Harry's New York bar in Paris. There's also evidence to support that this cocktail was created in the 20s at a French brothel.
And Harry ripped it off.
Harry might have ripped it off. Nobody knows the actual history. The name of this cocktail.
Between the Sheets, I think that's where it comes from. It's all coming together.
That's exactly what I was getting at.
Yeah.
So we'll start with 3/4 of an ounce of our cognac. For our white rum, we're using a 4-year-old Flor de Cana, Nicaraguan. 1 ounce of our orange liqueur. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our lemon juice. There we go. After you've shaken it for about 10 seconds or so, we are going to double strain it into our cocktail glass. Look at that. We're going to grab some lemon, express the oils. And for a garnish, I'm just gonna grab the lemon peel. Just gonna go a little right on top.
Just drape it.
Just drape it on top. There you have it.
Beauty.
The Between the Sheets cocktail. So, Rob, you ready to get
I'm so ready.
in between the sheets?
I was
with me?
born ready.
Let's give her a shot.
Without further ado, cheers.
Cheers.
Woo! That is a good one.
You like
The
that?
lemon really comes through.
It does.
Super fresh, prevalent. That's what
Yeah.
I'm looking for.
And there's only 1/2 ounce of lemon juice in there.
Right.
Like sour cocktails and stuff, you got 3/4 of an ounce or an ounce.
Yeah, you can bury a lot of
Crazy.
lemon juice in there sometimes.
Yeah.
It is right on top. You smell the lemon, you taste the lemon right away, but it makes it a little bit lighter.
Yeah, so this is a very pleasant drinking cocktail. No syrup in this one. You got the triple
Right.
sec that's bringing
Maybe
the
that's,
the
yeah, the
sweetness.
syrup makes it a little more heavy on your tongue and it kind of sits in your mouth a little
Yeah.
bit longer. This is a little bit lighter.
Yeah. Actually, after drinking it, I might even dial this back, the triple sec, to 3/4 of an ounce instead of a full ounce.
Probably.
I think with the Curaçao, you go full ounce because it's drier, doesn't have that same
Yeah.
kind of body to it.
I think if you did almost like a blind taste test, if you just put this in front of somebody and said, tell me what's in it, it would be pretty hard actually.
Yeah, that doesn't have that distinct.
Yeah, it all blends and merges together really seamlessly. You definitely can taste the lemon. You would know lemon, but it would be hard to pick out some of the other. That's delicious.
It is worth you getting between the sheets.
Cheers.
Thanks so much for watching on this episode of
Cocktails and Cribs.
We will see you next time when we make whatever we feel like.
We'll make it up as we go.
It's kind of what we do.
And we don't know how to end the video.
Bye. Are you like me, getting a little bit older, knees getting a little sore, maybe looking to live in a bungalow? Or maybe you're an investor who's looking for a good up-down rental, has a side entrance? Well, I've got a bungalow that might check all the boxes. Check out this one in Beddington. It's got 4 bedrooms, developed basement, side entrance, very nice and open, lots of space. Take a a look for yourself.